Add creative AI tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Add creative AI to create amazing looking ads. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here and try for free. Now Add creative is not free, but there is a free trial. You can go ahead and use it, check it out, see if you like it, and then you can go ahead and purchase the plan. Now I'm going to show you the plan and how much it costs at the end of the video. So for now, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So we're going to click on try for free over here, and we're going to get started. And before I do that, I just want to go over a few things. So for example, in the use case, you can see we've got small businesses, e-commerce, agencies, and we can see there are multiple types of ads. There's video ads, kind of like a video ad, but mostly they're pictures and kind of like a slideshow. And they have amazing customization options, like for example, buttons, logos, and other dynamic options. You can even add animations to certain things, but let's get into it. Now that you know a little bit about it, I'll show you how it looks like. So we're going to click on try for free, and then we're going to go ahead and sign up. You can go ahead and sign up with your Google account, Microsoft account, or just type in your full name, email address, and you should be good to go. And you can get 10 free downloads. And here you go. So now all you got to do is just add your payment method and we are good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and we will get started. All right, so here we go. Next, it's going to tell you to go ahead and optimize the ads. So go ahead and select the business type. You have a single brand, go with this one, select the company size, and then click on get started. And there you go. So this is how it looks like. It's done, dusted. And here you have some brands. You can create 10 brand lists over here. Currently, I don't have a subscription. I canceled it, but that's fine. I just want to show you how it looks like. And here you will have your brands. You can create one. I'm going to delete this one and show you how you can create one. And this is how it's going to look like when you first log in into your account. You're going to have your website right here. You can import that brand over from there. You can create a brand from here. You can write descriptions, select logo and everything. So here you can see I have this website right here. I can go ahead and import brand. So for example, if I were to go ahead and go over to another website, let's say we come over to Cartier, and I'll just paste the website Cartier over here and then click on import brand. It's going to go ahead and search the entire website, get the color palettes, the logos, and the fonts, the brand description name. Everything is going to come over here, and then you can go ahead and change all of that. And this is how you can go ahead and copy and create a brand for your website. So let's say you already have a website, you entered it over here. It's going to go ahead and analyze everything and then give you the details, and it's going to give you a preview over here. So give it a couple of seconds. Okay, for some reason it's not working. It's not importing the colors and stuff like that. So I think we need to go ahead and do it on our own. So it did copy the descriptions and stuff like that. It didn't upload the logo. So let's go ahead and upload the logo on our own, right? So we can create a logo using Canva, and I already have one. So I'm going to upload it over here. So this is how it looks like. We can crop the image as well, and we can move it around however you want to. So for example, like this one, you can go ahead and crop it. I think this is okay. Yeah, that looks good. We can confirm the logo. We can select a dark logo if you want. This is the light logo, but I'll upload the same one, as why not? This is how it looks like. And yeah, okay, maybe it does not look good because we still have the background. Maybe if I just crop it like this. All right, so this is how it looks like. It looks pretty cool. And then we'll click on save and continue. And then we have brand color. So we got black. We can change the colors to different options. So let's go with black and white, like so. And we'll also get like a purple color in there, and maybe we get like a pink color as well. I think that will look good. Click on save and continue, and then we have connect ad account. If you already have an ad account, you can go ahead and connect it, like for example Meta ads, Google ads, all of them, and then you can click on create brand and you are good to go. And once you've done it, this is how it's going to look like. Here you have a bunch of different options. These are your ad options. You can see add video, add text, add creatives, product photos, product videos, stock images, ad packages, storytelling ads, instant ads, fashion trends, brands, creatives. Everything is going to be over here. You can go with static, video, text. Totally depends on you. So let's go with the first one because this is the most obvious one. Here you go ahead and select your social media size, whether you want a post size, landscape size, story size, portrait size, pin, whatever it is. And you can see the display sizes over here. You can go ahead and select whichever option you want. So I'm going to go with portrait and then click on next. Next is going to ask me to go ahead and add the text to image, generate text with AI. So your main headline is going to be over here, your punchline and your call to action. And then down below, you're going to have your button. All right. So let's go ahead and add our button over here. Of course, we've already selected it. So we're going to click on next. So let's go ahead and do this. First things first, we got to go ahead and generate text with AI. We already have the website. We got the post service name, professional tone is going to be over here. Here you can add over here, or you can go ahead and scan the website. Now let's see whether or not it works. Last time it didn't work, but when I first created it did. Let's see if it works this time, and it does. So here you can see call to action is available. We got it, and now we can go ahead and save and generate. And it's going to go ahead and generate with the generate with text button, and it's going to add all of the information right over here. For some reason, the back, it's not being shown over here, which is weird. The example preview is still blank. I don't understand why that is happening. Maybe there's something wrong with the website, or maybe it's still loading up. But once everything looks good, click on the next step, and then here you basically go ahead and upload a background image. So you could go with your library. If you already have a few uploaded over here, you can go ahead and select them. If not, you can go ahead and upload your own one, or you can even search for your images over here. So let's go with luxury watches and search for that, and then we have a bunch of different options. So you can go with any of these. So let's go with the first one. We select the image. Some of them are free, some of them aren't, and this is how it looks like. This is going to be the image. You can add the project name over here. We can even select one of the background image, but it's fine. And then we click on generate, and that's going to be your ad. So your ad is being generated. They're fetching the best practices, brand categories, and everything for your image, and they're going to render over 150 images using artificial intelligence. And here we go. So this is how the ads would look like once they've generated. So we can see a bunch of them over here, and they look pretty incredible, right? Like we've got different styles, different images, different fonts, different formats, if you will. And you can go ahead and select any of them and choose whichever one you want. So for example, let's say we select this one. All I would have to do is select this one and click on download. If you want to edit it, you can click on the edit button, adjust it. We can go with the quick input edit, Creative Studio, and then edit it over there. And if we click on it, it'll take us to the studio, the Creative Studio, where you can go ahead and edit it. So this is how it looks like. We can go ahead and change the images, the shapes, the layout, the text, everything over here. You can see right here, you just simply select the element that you want to edit, and the editor pops up and you are good to go. Now, I personally like this, so I'm just simply going to save it and then download. You can download it over here. And if you've already connected with one of the ad managers, you can go ahead and push them directly. So you can go ahead and push it to LinkedIn, to Google Ads or Meta Ads, or you can just simply download it and then you can go ahead and push it later on. And once it's done, you can go ahead and get started. So currently my package is off, but that's why it's telling me this. But you can go ahead and easily get started with this one. You can go ahead and create hundreds and hundreds of different ads backed up way too far. But yeah, this is how it looks like, and you should be good to go. You're gonna have all of your options over here, and then you also get the analyze option where you can go ahead and see the analytics of your ads, see how many views you're getting, how many interactions you're getting, post interactions, all of that, and seeing whether or not your ad is good. You can also predict over here where you can get a scoring where you can add the ad over here, and that it'll give you like a prediction of how much score it is, whether or not it's a good one or not. You can even go with the retouch. It'll basically give your products a little bit of highlight using AI, but I don't know about this one. But yeah, it's as simple as that. And of course, it's not free. As I said before, this is the pricing plans over here. So there are 3 pricing plans. We got the starter, the professional, and the ultimate. We can see how many downloads we get and how much it would cost. So for $39 per month, we get 10 downloads per month. For $250, we get 50 downloads. For almost $600, we get 100 downloads. Down below, you can see all of the options. You get all AI assets, unlimited generation, text generation, ad platform integrations, unlimited photos by iStock, ad creative insights, and competitor insights as well. This is the one where you can go ahead and see how your competitor ads are doing and what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and improve on it. And then we have professional in it. You get all of those, but you also get additional 10 users, some pro features. You get a brand limit of 3, and you get 50 downloads, as I said before. You also get unlimited generations and assets and other options as well. But yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how much it would cost. This is of course monthly. If you go with quarterly, the price is going to be different, and if you go with yearly, it's going to be a lot cheaper. But yeah, depends on you, what you want, But yeah, this is all the information you need to know about Ad Creative AI and how you can use it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.